Going to the gym or keeping up with your workout goals can sometimes be really tasking, and as a result, many people tend to take breaks and choose to go back to the gym later. It may also turn out that you've absconded from the gym because of laziness, and now you're thinking of returning because you now want to take things seriously. While going back will surely not be easy, as you might have lost form or you might now be weaker, there are certain things you can do to slowly get back in shape and start focusing on your workout goals again. In this video, we'll be showing you all you need to know about going back to the gym. Do stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1. Have a plan. Going back to the gym is usually not as easy as it always sounds, and you'll need to have a plan to keep you going as you try to regain your strength. While it's normal to rethink of goals such as losing weight, building stronger muscles, or even growing strong abs, your return to the gym should focus on small goals that keep you going for the time being before you can then go further and increase your goals. These small and simple goals can include doing more squats or doing more push-ups or wanting to do more reps of certain exercises. Going back to the gym without any clear or concrete goal and just jumping from one machine to another can quickly get you to lose sight of your plan to slowly improve your strength. Number 2, do eccentric exercise. When you're out of the gym for a while, it's almost certain that you'll experience what is called delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS, which is quite understandable since you've not been doing any major exercise for a while. To deal with this, you should add eccentric exercises to your routine as they target the lengthening portion of an exercise, usually by slowing it down as a means to increase intensity. One thing though is that doing these exercises also leads to exercise-induced muscle damage, which eventually leads to more soreness. However, this soreness is one that is related to something known as the repeated bout effect, which allows you to experience protective adaptation after repeated bouts of an exercise. This means that the more you do these exercises, then the more you adapt to it and ultimately reduce any chances of damage. Eccentric exercises have also been found to help with greater movement efficiency and greater muscle hypertrophy, which becomes important in your early stage of returning to the gym. Number 3, track your progress. Another thing you'll need to do after returning to the gym is track your progress. Tracking your progress will allow you to know what works and what doesn't work for you in a bit of self-regulate by doing certain things that will help you towards achieving your goals. While there are quite a lot of things to track, you should focus more on what you eat, your protein intake, your exercise intensity, and other related parameters, your stress levels, and your sleep quality. All these things help you to manage your body and figure out the best possible way to achieve your goals on your return to the gym. Number 4, go with a partner. Going to the gym and putting a special focus on what to do can be sometimes hard. And even though you might think of going with someone to spot you, it's been found that you're more likely to improve or be successful with your goals when you have an accountability partner. While the two of you don't have to do the same thing at the same time, seeing the other person putting in all their efforts can be all you need to also get going. This also pushes you towards doing the right thing at the right time, even when you're losing interest or trying to be lazy. Number 5, keep your phones away. It turns out that these days, many people get distracted at the gym because they want to take a selfie or record a video or see what's going on across their social media pages. And the main reason for that is because their phones are well within reach. While you can surely listen to music through your phone during a workout, you won't be helping yourself if all you're glued to during your time at the gym is your phone. Distractions can be sometimes hard to deal with, even when it's not at the gym, but as little as it might seem, keeping off your phone might be all you need to do to be productive. How do you deal with distractions at the gym? Let us know in the comment section. If you also enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, then you should also check out 7 proven ways to get stronger fast.